Hello and welcome everyone. If you want to know how I made this cute little round canvas, then keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, it's much appreciated. I've tried to make a rose gold, so I mixed a copper with gold and a little bit of pink in it. Then I've used a pink color, a light pink color, a silver, a light blue color, which is phthalo blue with white, and a phthalo blue on its own. All the brands and colors are also down in the description below if this goes too fast. I've put 2 drops of silicone in the metallics and 3 drops in every other paint. Make sure you mix the paint well with the silicone in it, because you want it to be dispersed all the way in the paint, because otherwise you get big blobs of silicone or worms. I'm also showing you the consistency of my paints, which is a bit thicker than normal, and especially the metallics, they are always a bit thicker than the other paints. As you can see, I'm always looking for the mountain amount. I always stick my stick out about the height of the top of the cup. This way I can check if the consistency is right for me. So just look for the little amounts you get when the paint pours back into the cup. After doing a lot of pours, I can also feel the consistency when I stir it, so I know it's right. And always make sure the consistency is right before you put in the silicone oil, because you can't put silicone oil in it and then add water after it or paint after it, because it doesn't really mix well and you get a weird result on your canvas. Back to the little cute canvas. These are the same colors that I showed you in the beginning of the video, only that pour failed, so now we're gonna try again on this little canvas. I always spray my cup with silicone spray to make sure the paint releases more easily from the cup. As always, I start with the metallic, because I want that one to pop up on top in cells. And then I pour in the other colors, light next to a dark color, to make sure I get a bit of contrast in the painting. The silver kind of disappeared in this one, so I might need the silver to be a bit thicker, but some of the silver mixed with the other colors, so I get a really cute metallic glow over it and some lacing on the right. This is the reason why I keep my metallic paint mix a bit thicker, because otherwise the metallics will mix with the other colors and you just get like all metallic. So next time when I'm using the silver, I'm gonna make sure the paint mix is a bit thicker than I have this time. I'm also kind of sad that I poured off the phthalo blue, because now it's like really pale, but that's also the vision I had in mind a little bit, because I wanted the springtime to come on and take over this painting, and I think blossoms are like really springtime and the bright blue sky is in there, so I'm really loving it as it is. The end result is really cute. I love the pops of metallic in there. It looks really beautiful. In the end I'll show you a video of when it's all dry and it's even shiny then, and I can't wait to put a varnish coat on this. I hope this painting inspired you a bit to make more springtime paintings this time of year and pick some cute colors, like soft colors, pastel colors, instead of the really hard and dark colors, because I can't wait for the sun to come back. Especially because I live in the Netherlands and it's mostly rainy and cloudy, and as you can see here in this video, I don't really have sunlight, it's just daylight. It still looks beautiful though. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated, and see you in the next video.